So I already threw the priority box away, and but yeah. All right, here it is. Series 1 Apple Watch. I have waited a week for this, which is not that long. All right. So here it is, my friends. Series 1. Now, I got this used on eBay. It's almost brand new, but I had already opened it and kind of powered it on and everything. But I got this used on eBay for $160 with the charger, which is a pretty good deal because these new are like 200 something. So that's a good deal. It came with the extra an extra wristband, which when you take these off, actually it comes off in 2 separate bands. So this is a band and this is a band. So I would recommend picking up extra pairs of different bands. Now and the charger comes in there. So that, my friends, is what comes in the box. eBay is a great platform, so get your stuff off of eBay if you want it used. So really, for how small and compact these things are, they work really well. I love the Apple Watch. So you can pick between like different clocks and just slide left and right. Sometimes it's a little, okay. Yeah, and then you can slide up from the bottom. You know, you got your battery percentage, airplane mode. The flashlight's kind of cool because when you turn it around, it gets brighter. Like used for a flashlight, it's got a flash and red stuff like that. And so it's pretty sweet. You got do not disturb. Now when you hit that do not disturb, since everything's connected to your phone, like this is just mimicking off your phone, it'll turn the phone in do not disturb too, which I don't know why I didn't think about that when I did that at first, but for some reason that was kind of a big deal to me, but whatever. You can also track your activities, so you know how much you move around, calories you burn, and different stuff like that. You can set different goals to how you want, and then you slide down for notifications and different things like that, which is pretty nice. Press down on the crown to go to like home to get a view on all your apps and everything like that. You can trigger your GoPro from this, which is pretty sweet. You can scroll through Instagram, which I haven't got to work yet, but there's a couple games compatible with this, but you have to download them through your iPhone, which makes sense. So yeah, if you go into settings, you can change the orientation. So like if you want to flip the watch around, pick which wrist you're going to have it on, and then the crown, which way it's going to turn and stuff like that. So yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. And seriously, if you're looking to expand on your Apple products, pick an Apple Watch up. I love these things. I would honestly get a Series 3 Apple Watch, or you know, whatever the latest Apple Watch is, over an upgraded iPhone, just because they work so well and they're super helpful for my life. I'm a pretty active person. I do a lot of things throughout my day, and sometimes it can be kind of hard to keep track of my phone. And so I love these things. Pick one of these up. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.